Hi, Theo here from ElectroFX.com. Welcome to this next video in my day trading series. On the board we have the pound dollar for February 4th, and this is my WavEFX chart, my preferred charting technique for this faster time frame of price action. Now, what I see on the board is a potential of this area holding and a little burst down to just continue on with this downtrend. There's a few things that I have on my mind. First of all, we did break that high and that low, so things are starting to shift. This is a great area on the daily chart, so in the future something like that could very well happen. I need to be aware of it. A lot of congestion in here, so I don't really want to challenge that. But because of the distance between this point and this point, there's definitely enough room for a trade with a 1-to-1 or greater risk reward. Now, what I'm going to do here is just use the trade manager and take care of this in a set and forget fashion. If this area does not hold, then we'll need to plot something, well, really this high. If this high doesn't hold, I'm going to plot an X sell line. I'm going to place down here a pending sell line. If price comes down now and crosses that line, it will enter the trade. At the same time, if price goes up, then I don't want to be taking that trade at a later date, so I got my safety net there. If we do enter the trade, I'm going to need a stop loss. This definitely looks like a good area for the stop loss, and I'm going to need a take profit, which has to be quite clearly right in amongst all of this. So I'm going to just place a take profit right there. I can see straight away I'm risking 25 to get 30, and there's always the potential of a little slippage or what have you, so I'm sure that will reduce slightly, but it is above the 1-to-1 minimum, and I do need to play this one safe for the reasons that I've outlined. So really the only thing left to do is to place one final safety net. If I don't quite make it to my take profit and I react from this area here, then I don't want to lose that trade, so I'm going to place a lock profit trigger right there. And I'll also get an email at that point as well, so I can check the charts. For now, I'll get back to this trade at the next juncture. Okay, this trade has entered. As you can see, price did not come up and trigger the X sell, therefore cancelling the trade. Instead, it maintained an equal or lower high than that one, and then we actually traded the creation of the lower low, therefore giving us some momentum in the direction that we want to go. There's actually nothing more to do right now other than be aware that we are in the trade, and I'll get back to the video at the next juncture. Okay, this trade has gone to its take profit. Successful trade. As I say, this trade was really just following this trend, but also being cautious of the fact that things were starting to slow down and shift. This is a great area on the daily chart, very powerful area, so the potential of this happening is very high. So just needed to be aware of it. It may not happen. Price may actually keep on coming down and re-challenge this area, but this just doesn't bother me. I mean, the trade was above my 1-to-1 minimum risk reward. It's intraday. This is high frequency trading. So another good trade, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more.